Hi guys, welcome back to the Kilburn-Long channel. So today we're going to be unboxing and having a look at the MAM bottles. Let's have a look. Right, so we got these ones, as you can see, from Amazon. They were reduced from £25 to £19 something, but we actually got them for £17 something because we went to that other seller bit and you know, it really does it cheaper, and the only thing that should be wrong with it is the box.
Damage on the packaging.
Damage on the packaging.
Which, there's a bit of a dent there, I suppose, and a little bit of a damage there, but really not anything bad at all.
No, that looks fine to me.
It looks like you could get it from the shop, it's just been a bit squashed.
Yeah.
But really not that bad. We're buying these because Bonnie's currently using MAM bottles and getting on really well, but she's got like the up to... No, come on, get down. She's got up to 5 ounce, and she's pretty much going up to 5 ounces a feed. Well, she's between like 4 and 5, but so I don't think it's going to be long until she needs the bigger size. So we thought whilst they're on offer, we'd grab them, but we managed to get them on a really good deal, didn't we?
Yep.
Because these are quite expensive bottles.
So let's open them up and have a look. Right, so yeah, let's open them and have a look.
Yeah, I just can't believe that they've said the packaging is damaged enough to... Like, it's really not that bad. It's
not that bad. It's not that bad at all. Let's have a little look. Just turn it around. There's an Amazon warehouse. Self-sterilising. We're going to show you how that works. Yeah. Innovative anti-colic system and self-sterilising function.
Should we open them here?
Nothing wrong with that box at all.
No.
Let's do the...
Still sealed.
Get rid of the box. Have a look at them.
They look perfect. They've still got all the hygiene, the packaging on them. They even come with the next heat up, which I'll swap over to the first size for her, but yeah, they look perfect. Let's have a look at all of them.
They only had the pink ones in stock, but do you know what, if we was to have any more children, we had a boy, it wouldn't make a difference. We're not about this pink is for girls, blue is for boys stuff.
No, they look fine.
So this is the smaller one, isn't it? That's
yeah.
the MAM bottle.
That's the one Bonnie's using at the moment. It's just been washed, so it's a bit wet.
So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to quickly wash these up, and then we'll show you how you sterilise with these bottles, if you don't already know.
So what we really like about the MAM bottles is you can use a steriliser, but you don't need to sterilise them. They're self-sterilising. And what I've learned how to do them is you give them a good wash in hot soapy water using washing up liquid and a bottle brush, making sure all old milk is gone and it's all nice and clean. Give them a rinse over with cold water so all the soap suds are gone, and then you need to stack them, and I'll show you how you do it because I had to look it up when I needed to do it. So you put the teat back through into the bit that holds the teat, and then you've got these rubber rings, because I've taken it all apart to wash them. So you put the rubber ring back in the base of the bottle. So that's the first bit. And then on the lid, there's measurements. You need to fill that up to 20 with cold water. And then that goes in the base of the bottle. And then you get your teat, and that goes in the base. And the next bit you stack on is the main part of the bottle. And then you pop the lid on top. And that is what goes in the microwave. And then if you're just sterilising one bottle, you just pop that in like that, and then you put it on for 3 minutes. But you can get up to, I think it's 6 bottles in one sterilising in one go. So every bottle you add a minute onto that 3 minutes. So your basic, obviously you start with 3 minutes, and then say you have 2 bottles, it's 4 minutes, 5 bottles, and so on and so on. and then they're sterilised.
And so that means that you don't need to use a steriliser, so you can whack that on and it would be done.
So I'm going to do 3 bottles. So I'm going to stack these. So I'm using the lid again to measure out the water.
Up to 20, isn't it?
Yep. Okay, there's one. Another one. And pop them on. And then pop these on. Then pop the lids on.
And guys, if you've got this microwave, don't do what we just did and try to put it in straight like that. It won't go in. You have to tip it a little bit and pop it in.
We've got quite a small microwave.
We do.
There you go. So 3 bottles. So basic 3 minutes, but then we've got 2 more bottles, so it goes on for 5.
Excuse the flickering on that microwave there, guys. But that's it. And that's how you do it. And once they've done it, they will be nice and sterilised.
And then I'm pretty sure on the MAM website, if you keep the lids on them, and they will stay sterilised for 48 hours. However, if you go on the NHS website, which is what we follow, the NHS in the UK, it will say bottles can stay sterilised for, I think it's 12 hours. So just bear in mind what advice you want to take. But yeah, when you put them in the microwave to sterilise, do not screw it all down. It has to be left loose, otherwise you'll end up with the exploding bottle.
Anyway guys, that's it from us on this unboxing video on the MAM bottles, and a little step-by-step guide on how to sterilise them. And we'll see you again soon on the next video. Cheerio for now.